Okay, so today I start the class. That previous day, last video, one video have been uploaded on that any arc make an angle at center and in the circumference. The relation between these two angles, the central angle is double of the circumference angle, and that video, the proof of that statement I have done in that video. I hope those, I think few views, I have seen just few views are there, 19 and 20. I hope that you will watch that video, because on the base of that video will prove the next statement, that semicircle angle is 90 degree, that angle in the same segment are equal, okay, with the base. So you have to must watch that video, okay, got it? Now so today I will prove, that is, angles in the same segment are equal. Angles same segment are equal, okay, got that point? Angles are in the same segment are equal. So just draw a circle having center O, okay, having center O. Now PQ and arc, got it? PQ and arc. So an angle in that segment, one angle is, that is R, and another angle is, that is S. So PRQ and PSQ, we have to prove that these two angles are equal. First of all, tell me these two angles are it has a special name. I use that name in the discussion. Tell me the name of this angle, that is PRQ and PSR. What is the name of that angle? Quickly. So 11 comments should be there in the chat box. Got it? So it is very good that those who are present in the call, they are giving reply in the chat box. Okay, very good. Now, so these two angles are called circumference angle. So we have to prove that. Just I am writing here what to be proved, that angle PRQ equal to angle PSQ. That is our required proof. Now students, as it is center O, just join it. Okay, just join it. What is that angle? Tell me quickly. What is that angle? Quickly, tell me. What is that angle? That is central angle. Okay, so very good. That is central angle. Now, as you know, so what you can say, sir, angle POQ equal to this angle. This is the central angle, this is the circumference angle. That arc subtend at center, at the same arc subtend at the circumference. So you can say that is 2 into angle PRQ. Got it? Any problem? POQ equal to 2 into angle PRQ. Got it? Next, in the similar reason, because the same arc subtend in the central and circumference. Central angle is double of the circumference angle. Next things. Now again, angle POQ equal to 2 of angle PSQ. Any problem? Angle PRQ, so POQ equal to 2 into PRQ, and POQ equal to PSQ. I think you don't have any problem. Now students, just that mark it is equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. Now in these two equations just compare it, that right hand left hand portions are same, left hand portions are same, so right hand portions are also be same, because I have told you that that theory that Ram equal to 2 and Sam equal to 2, what does it signify? Sir, Ram equal to Sam. Okay, sir, Ram equal to, got it? Got it everyone? So as these two portions are equal, these two portions are equal, so these portions are also be equal. So therefore 2 of angle PRQ equal to 2 of angle PSQ. Now just remove the 2 from both sides. So angle PRQ equal to angle PSQ. That is our required proof. That is our required proof. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, tell me if you have any problem, tell me. Chat box, any problem, tell me. Kinjal is typing fast. Okay, one feedback I have. Okay, 2, 3, Somnath. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, now Ramit Ghosh is joined. So Ramit, just watch it, that this video will be uploaded, that time you can see. Okay, and if those who are in the call, give your feedback. What I asked you, try to give your answer. Okay, so that proof is clear. Okay, now next proof. That angles in a semicircle are equal. In a semicircle is 90 degree. Okay, the angles in the semicircle is 90 degree. Okay, it means first of all, can tell me the full that portion, full board portion is showing on your screen. Okay, next a circle, so it is center, that is the diameter. Okay, look at the board everyone, it is the diameter. Okay, I think diameter should be little bit lower portion. Okay, now AB, that is we know that that angle is 90 degree. We will prove that that angle, that is the upper port, that diameter divides the circle into two semicircles. That diameter divides the circle into two semicircles. That's why the upper portion, that angle is 90 degree. We will prove it. Okay, got it everyone? Now look at the board. First of all, tell me, if you consider that arc AB, so it is the central angle, is it or not? Tell me, is it the central angle? Yes, so yes, okay, so central angle, so angle AOB, and it is the circumference angle. It is the central angle and circumference angle. Now you know that relation between central angle and circumference angle, AOB equal to 2 into angle APB. Okay, angle AOP equal to 2 into angle APB. Now just write it down in the changing the side. 2 of angle APB equal to angle AOB. Okay. Now angle APB, what will be the value of AOB? Tell me quickly. What is the value of angle AOB? That's a straight line. AOB is AOB is a straight line, that is diameter. So that angle must be 180 degree. That angle must be 180 degree. Okay. So that is angle APB equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. So angle APB equal to 90 degree. That is our required. So semicircle angle is yes. Okay, very good. Abhinandan. The angle APB is 90 degree. Any angle you can say what is the value of that angle? That also 90. What is the value of that angle? That also 90. Okay. Semicircle angle means that the value of that angle is 90 degree. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Sarah, any problem? Sarah, case, any problem? Okay. Okay, no sir. You don't have any problem. All the points are clear to you. All the points are clear. Sarah, tell me. Okay. Now students, I hope these two parts are clear. Now in exercise 10.5, we have solved up to question number 10. Now today I will solve question number 11. So 11 and 12, two questions are left. Question exercise 10.5, question number 11. ABC and ADC are two right angle triangle with common chord, common hypotenuse AC. Okay, first of all, so I have drawn, that is ABC, it's a right angle triangle, and ACD, that ACD, that is also a right angle triangle. So that is not 90 degree. Okay, that should be 90 degree. Okay, that should be 90 degree. And Mehul, okay, what is your matter? Okay, he left the class. Not this chapter, this one. This question number 11 not in this exercise 10.5. Rajanna, is it clear? Is it true? Okay. Now look at the board. Everyone. So ABC, it's a right angle triangle. AC is the hypotenuse and ADB, ADC, that angle is also 90 degree. So AC is the hypotenuse. Now one thing, students, what is this? From where, Kinjal? From where did you get this problem? Ask me in the e-portal, not here. You know that sign, absolute sign? Okay, ask me in the e-portal, not here. So ABC and ADC, two right angle triangle. Now you have to say that angle CAD, so join it, join BD, CAD and equal to CBD, CBD and CAD, these two angles. Okay. Mahul, don't send this type of picture. Okay, I have told you previously. Again I am repeating, don't send that type of picture or anything. Otherwise I have to inform the principal sir office. Actually Mohul is not in the call, but how can he sending this type of things? Okay, let me check later. Mohul is not in the call. For just disturbing, he is sending this type of things. Okay. Now ABC and ADC, two. First of all, students, just few minutes ago we have learned that semicircle angle is 90 degree. So it is not done, that AC will not like that. Okay, just okay, it is the AC, that is A, C, B and ADC. Okay, I have joined BD, Now students, as this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree, so it means it is the common hypotenuse. It means these angles are semicircle angles. It means these angles are semicircle angles. So we have to prove that is CAD equal to BAD, sorry, CBD. So as they are that is 90 degree, so if I draw a circle, AC will be the diameter. It means angle point AB DC are on a circle. Okay. Now as it is circle, so CD is the chord. CD is the chord. Now think about chord. So this angle CAD and CBD, that angle, these two angles CAD equal to CBD will be equal. But what is the reason? Tell me. Why they are equal? CAD and CBD will be equal. Okay, first I have proved that ABDC, all these 4 points are on a circle, and then CAD and CBD will be equal. Yes, angles are in the same segment. Angles are in the same segment. Same segment, okay. Okay, so that is the proof, very short proof. Okay, next question number 12. Question number 12. Prove that cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Cyclic parallelogram means it is a parallelogram ABCD. It is a parallelogram, that is cyclic. Cyclic means all these 4 points are on the circumference. Okay. So we have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. So we have to prove ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. First of all, tell me, as it is cyclic, so what can you say? Sir, so as it is given, it is cyclic, so we can say, sir, angle A plus angle C is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle C is 180 degree, because we know that some of the opposite angle are also some of the opposite angle is 180 degree. Now as it is given parallelogram, so in parallelogram we can say that opposite angles are equal. So it means angle A equal to angle C. Why? Because in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Now here in place of angle C, put just angle A plus angle A, that is 180 degree. Now 2 of angle A equal to 180 degree and angle A equal to 90 degree. So as it is 90 degree, it will also be 90 degree. In the similar case, we can prove that these two angles are also 90 degree. So all angles, opposite sides are equal. As well as all angles are 90 degree. So that means ABCD is a rectangle. Why ABC? We are able to say that because it is already given parallelogram. So parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Now we have proved that the angles are 90 degree, opposite sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. It means that ABCD, which is parallelogram, which is concyclic, that also be a rectangle. So students, I have proved these two. I have completed exercise 10.5. I hope all the problems you got that concept, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the e-portal. Thank you students. Bye.